Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CivTech Simplified. We are presenting a short video. It will be a quiz for civil engineers. And the topic for today's quiz is building materials, types of rocks. We are presenting 5 multiple choice questions in this video and the correct answers would be highlighted. So let's test your knowledge. Question number 1. Limestone is physically classified as dash rock. Limestone is physically classified as dash rock. Option A. Stratified. Option B. Unstratified. So A is the correct answer for this question. Limestone is a stratified rock. Question 2. Muram is a decomposed laterite and has deep brown or red color. Muram is a decomposed laterite and has a deep brown or red color. Option A is yes. Option B is no. So yes, muram is a decomposed laterite and it has a red or brown color. So A is the correct answer for this question. Question 3. Marble is an example of option A. Aqueous rock. Option B. Metamorphic rock. Option C. Sedimentary rock. Option D. Igneous rock. So we know that marble is a metamorphic rock. So B is the correct answer for this question. Then we have slate in the form of tiles. Slate is the form of tiles which is used option A for paving, option B as road metal, option C as an excellent roof covering material, and option D for the manufacture of cement. So slate is the form of tiles which is used as an excellent roof covering material. So C is the correct answer for this question. Then we have last question. Granite is mainly composed of option A quartz and mica, option B felspar and mica, option C quartz and felspar, option D quartz, felspar and mica. So D is the correct answer. Granite is composed of quartz, felspar as well as mica. So thank you for being with us. Please support this channel. It's CivTech Simplified. We are available at YouTube as well as TikTok. Please subscribe and send your suggestions in the comment box below. We have an email address. It's civtechsimplified@gmail.com. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video. Goodbye.